Here is a super simple method to propagate and grow betel leaf at home in water. No soil, no mess. Step 1. Prepare your cutting. Select a healthy stem from an existing betel plant. Cut 6 to 8 inch long at a 45-degree angle, just below a node, where roots will grow. Remove the lower leaves, and keep the top 2-3 leaves. Step 2. Place it in water. Take a clear glass bottle and fill some clean water in it. You may add pieces of aloe vera leaf, which is a natural rooting hormone, to speed up rooting. Put the cutting in the jar. Make sure at least 1 to 2 nodes are submerged, but leaves stay above water. Change water every 3 to 5 days. Top up with fresh water, so the nodes on the stem are nicely covered at the bottom. Tip: if your tap water is hard or contains chlorine or fluorine gases, let it sit for overnight, or use bottled water or rainwater. Step 3. Find the perfect spot. Betel leaf cuttings root best in warm and humid conditions. Spring to summer is the best time to take cuttings for propagation. The ideal temperature is from 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, and humidity above 60%. If outside temperature is not in this range, place the bottle indoors at a warm place, away from direct sunlight to prevent leaves from scorching. Avoid dark corners. The betel cuttings needs good light to grow strong. I put in my veranda. That works great because it is warm and gets bright in direct light. Miss the cuttings if humidity is low. Care tips and maintenance. Change the water every 3 to 5 days to keep it fresh and prevent bacteria or algae growth. In 1 to 4 weeks you will see white roots growing from nodes. The exact time depends on temperature and season. In warm climates like India or Sydney summers, roots can appear in just 1 to 2 weeks. Once roots are 1 to 2 inches long, you can add a tiny bit of diluted liquid fertilizer like Power Feed or seaweed solution every 2 weeks for faster growth and bigger leaves. Keep the water level consistent. Top up as it evaporates. Pro tip: if leaves start yellowing, it might need more light or fresh water more often. Long-term growth plus harvesting. Once the betel cutting is rooted and growing, this vine will keep producing new leaves and even climb if you give it support. Many people keep betel leaf growing in water for months or even years as a beautiful indoor plant. If it gets too big, you can move it to soil later. You can harvest fresh leaves anytime. Just pick the mature ones from the bottom. The more you harvest, the bushier it gets. Common mistakes and final tips. Avoid these mistakes. Direct harsh sunlight scorched leaves. Dirty cold water rot. Too dark a spot slow, no growth. Keep the plant warm above 20 degrees Celsius, and you will have a dense paan vine quite fast. So this is how you can grow betel leaf or paan in water. No soil. Super easy and rewarding. Have you tried this method? Drop a comment below. How long did your roots take? If this helped, smash that like button. Share with a paan lover, and subscribe for more easy home gardening hacks. Thanks for watching.